Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Plan With Me. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be planning out the month of December in my MakseLife planner. I can't even believe that it's December already, but honestly, I am ready for 2020 to be over. I don't know about you, but yeah, I am ready for it. So for this month, I'm actually using a Krissyanne Designs sticker kit. I actually got this idea from Sam over at Happily a Housewife. She does this frequently with her monthly kits from Krissyanne Designs. So you can order the monthly kit and then you can order the skinny event labels and request that they match the kit that you ordered for the month. So I thought that was really genius and just something that I wanted to try to see if it worked for me. I really like the skinny event labels from Krissyanne Designs because it still leaves you plenty of room in your boxes for each month. Now, I don't think I've used a Krissyanne Designs sticker kit for the month view in a very long time. So I'm really curious to see. Oh, it's going to totally change the layout of the days. Oh, did I don't even think I realized that I picked a Monday start for the monthly, which I'm kind of glad that I did. Oh my God, that's awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this down for the month view. It looks like it's a little bit wider than the actual boxes and columns, and that is going to be okay. Let's move it just a little bit more over. Let's see if I can get this. Luckily, her stickers are now repositionable. So that is awesome. And I might go ahead and cut off the excess just because I think that it'll look better. At least that's how I see it. And I'm just going to use my little Fiskars knife here and try not to cut off a finger. Oh man. Yeah, I think it's going to look a lot better with it cut off. If I can cut in a straight line, and that should do the trick. You got to just make it work, right? All right, that'll have to do. I didn't cut it perfectly, but that's totally fine. But now I'm going to have to keep in mind that I'm going to now have to redate the entire planner. I didn't even realize that I got a Monday start. Maybe that was the only option. I am not totally sure. So on this part, I'm going to have to cut off a little bit off of each side. I think that that's going to be perfectly fine, honestly. So let's go ahead and get that cut off. All right, that side ended up a little bit crooked too, but that's going to be okay. All right, so now I need to pull out my phone because it will throw me off, and I want to make sure that I'm doing it right. We're doing a Monday start. Okay. So that means Tuesday is the 1st. Let's not try and completely ruin this entire thing. So I'm going to put the date covers in before, and I'm looking at my phone too. I'm like, please, Lord, tell me I got this right. I'm going to go ahead and put the date covers down because obviously now I can't do anything else until I get these down. And I love that these are like little squares. I think that they're really cute. The MakseLife has it printed in circles, but one of the changes coming to the MakseLife planner is that the circles will actually be in the corner of the box, which I think is really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting these down, and I'll be right back. And I just now realized that I'm going to have to move all of my page flags. All right, let's finish getting the date covers down. That's totally funny because now that pretty much moved everything to this side of the page. Another thing I'm going to do is grab some whiteout because I will need to cover up all of these holidays because now they just don't line up with this new setup. right, I think that I have everything. Next up is the sidebar. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put just the this month sticker, and I have some whiteout stuck to my hand. But I don't think I'm gonna use this sidebar label here. I just don't think I need it. It is really cute, but I think I'm just gonna leave it alone and not use it. All right, so the pen that I'm going to be using, because the Krissyanne design stickers are a vinyl blend of sticker, is the Micro Perm, and this is in the 03. You can actually get these in Kristen's shop as well, and I'll be sure to leave a link to Krissyanne Designs down in the description as well. All right, so where do we start? I guess we could just go in order. I also have my binder, the Celebrations collection, to add in some really fun holidays. There's some amazing sheets in here where you can add some of the fun holidays that Kristen has included in this collection. And I think I'm already at the end of the year, so that is really cool. All right, so let's start with the first. That is when Vlogmas starts. I'm really excited this year, although I keep going back and forth about how I'm going to approach the whole thing, but we shall see how that goes. So I'm just going to put that for the first because that's when it starts. I know some people also start right after Thanksgiving. I'm just going to start right on the first. I'm going to do my own thing like I always do. All right, so there is that. All right, and then let's try to stick to, let's see, maybe we can do the paydays in like this gray color down here. And we've got a few of those, so I'm gonna write those in. All right, so all of the paydays are in. Next up, I want to kind of put in the days that I have off. Obviously, there's quite a few with all of the additional holidays and stuff, but and there's also going to be a few additional days that I'm off for my cardiac procedure, so I am going to get those written in, and I think I almost want to do those in the turquoise color. So on Monday the 7th, I actually took that day off for Cultivate What Matters, Cultivate Your Year Live. Normally it is an in-person event. I'm just going to move that up a smidge because I know that I want to put Cultivate Your Year Live on the bottom. But it is a virtual event this year, and I'm really excited about it. And I went ahead and just took the day off, not realizing that I was also going to need some time off from my cardiac ablation. So yeah, I'm kind of kicking myself because you can really attend the virtual event anytime once you have purchased your ticket. However, part of me is like, I could really use that time, almost like a form of self-care, to really give to myself, to have that day, all day, to attend the conference, even if it is online. So I decided to keep the day off because I thought it would be helpful. Obviously, I am off the day of my cardiac ablation, so I'm not going to put a day off sticker there. I just have one more to put there. And if it will come off of the sticker sheet. And that was for Christmas Eve. That should actually be like a, sometimes we get it off as like a paid holiday, but it hasn't been declared that just yet. I guess I should also put the day off for Christmas, but I would assume that that's just assumed. Anyway, all right, so for like the special events, I think I'm going to do the purple color, and I'm going to start with Cultivate Your Year Live, and then the day of my surgery, it's not really a surgery, it's a procedure, but still, you have to go through all the motions as though it's a surgery, which I guess it is because you're going under anesthesia and you are being cut into. I guess it is a surgery. Oh my goodness. I am loving being back in my monthly. Like, I've kind of been neglecting it, and I realize I personally like really need it. I really do. So as far as my surgery goes on the 16th, I'm really hoping that it's like a same day thing. I was told, like, pretty frankly, just to be prepared to stay overnight, but that didn't necessarily need to be the case. However, I did decide to take off that Thursday and Friday because I have heard that there is a little bit of soreness down in your leg where they go up into the vein to get to your heart. Like super fun times. But I was like, I'm not even going to risk it. I'm just going to take some time off and deal with that then. All right, and then winter break starts on the 21st. I think I'm gonna use the purple for that too. And I always feel like winter break is like really, really long. I don't remember it being that long when I was a kid. Of course, I think everything flies by when you're a kid, but it feels like it's a month long nowadays. All right, so that is on there, and I think I always like marking church, so I think I'm going to do that too, and I'm going to just use the navy blue, even though we don't attend in person. I like marking it down. All right, so that is it for like all of the big stuff, and I still think that this is like such a great idea because you get so many stickers, and I still have all of these for the month of December to add to my monthly spread if I need them, or if I just want to add more things and more appointments and things like that pop up. So I really, really love how this looks. This kit is just so adorable. All right, so let's hop into the Celebrations collection. Let's get to the part where there is December. I think I skipped pretty much all of November, I think, because I didn't really plan in there, but now I'm ready to plan for December. So let's see what we've got going on for holidays. So let's see, she's got the dates on here pointing to them, but let's see, December 4th is National Cookie Day. I'm definitely going to mark that one. And I'm not necessarily going to put every single holiday down, but just the ones that I kind of want to have in my planner, and National Cookie Day is definitely one of them. Oh my gosh, so December 5th is National Ninja Day. Who knew? Who knew? Krissyanne Designs knew, that's who. All right, definitely gonna put Hanukkah begins and Hanukkah ends. So Hanukkah begins on December 10th. For some reason, I have such a hard time getting these stickers off the pages from the Celebrations collection, but not a whole lot of the other pages. All right, and then Hanukkah ends on December 18th. And all of this was printed on the planner. My goodness, this is not going to come off of here. Okay, there we go. December 18th. But since I moved everything around in the planner, now things don't fit well. First day of winter is December 21st. That's gonna fit perfectly. I like how everything is just coordinating. That is so cute. And then it also says December 21st is midwinter. I don't know if I'm gonna put that. I do definitely wanna put Festivus. That is on December 23rd. And of course, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. I love the colors that she used in here because it could virtually go with like any kit whatsoever. That's gonna look so good. Christmas Day. And then, let's see, we have Kwanzaa and Candy Cane Day. I think that we can fit both. We can try to fit both. Let's see. Let's do the 26th right here. Let's see if they can actually fit together. If not, I might put it like right underneath and just kind of like write an arrow going up, if that makes sense. Or let's see, I really want that one there. I don't know. We'll leave the Candy Cane Day off. I can always put that in like my weekly spread. Not a big deal. And of course, New Year's Eve. That is the last of the holidays in this Celebrations collection. All right, I think that that is everything, and I think it turned out really cute and just simple. I love the way that the stickers look. I am definitely going to go ahead and order the coordinating sheet moving forward. If you guys need the sheet number, I think, let me see if I can get it up close. If that's the sheet number, I'm not totally sure. I'll have to ask Kristen for sure how I ordered this. And just, yeah, I know that when you go ahead when you go to the skinny event labels, you can put it, you have the custom option. It's like the bold, pastel, and custom. I know that there's a couple of others, but obviously you would choose the custom and then say what it is that you want. And I love this. The skinny event labels are like where it's at in the monthly planning, because you just get so much more use out of each day in the monthly spread. Alright guys, that is everything for this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube, because sometimes they don't always tell you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.